Hello friends, today I'm going to unboxing of NCERTs. This is Economics NCERT. There is two economic NCERT. First is macroeconomics of class 12th and second is Indian economic development of class 11. So now let's unbox it. Let's see guys, we are unboxing it. Now we're getting ready. Let's see how it's fitting. I've purchased these two NCERTs in just ₹173. Let's see guys what's the weight with it. Let's see. I think NCERT will not harm. I'm going with the next box. You can see guys, they did really well packing. But it is little bit damaged. You can see it's not in good condition at all. Macroeconomics of class 12th. Its page quality is good. And now we will see the another book. No, we will see the price of this book. There is no price mentioned in it. I think there is no price. So let's come on the next NCERT. This is Indian Economic Development. Its quality is also good. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I will suggest you to purchase it because these are the only source for economics. You can also go for Ramesh Singh, but it's quite sufficient and you will rest of the things cover from newspaper. Thank you for watching it.